The Bankit Phrase SBF 900 is a self-propelled road milling machine, specifically designed for efficient Bankit maintenance. With a milling width of up to 900 mm and a depth of 150 mm, it effectively removes material from road shoulders. Powered by a diesel engine, it features a hydraulic drive system for both milling and travel. The milling unit, equipped with interchangeable drums, can be adjusted hydraulically for precise control. A high-capacity conveyor belt efficiently transports the milled material, while an integrated level control system ensures accurate Bankit profiling. This machine offers significant advantages over manual methods, providing clean and precise milling, reduced labor costs. The Mecalac Volvo truck is a revolutionary dumper that combines a rotating cab with off-road capabilities, offering unmatched visibility and mobility. Available in 6-ton and 9-ton payload configurations, it is powered by a 74-horsepower Tier 4 final diesel engine and features a hydrostatic transmission with a top speed of 17.4 meters per hour. The Volvo truck's unique selling point is its rotating cab, allowing for 225 degrees of rotation and providing operators with 360-degree visibility. This enhances safety and reduces fatigue by allowing the operator to constantly face the direction of travel. Other key features include 2-wheel, 4-wheel, and crab steering modes, up to 20 degrees of chassis oscillation for stability. The MKMartin SB97 PT is a heavy-duty pole-type snowblower designed for clearing large amounts of snow from driveways, sidewalks, and other areas. It boasts a 97-inch cutting width and requires a minimum of 60 horsepower for optimal performance. Equipped with a 19-inch auger and a 27-inch fan, this snowblower efficiently throws snow through a 12-inch diameter chute designed for Category 2 3-point hitch mounting. It weighs approximately 1,260 pounds. Key features include a high-capacity design with a 5-blade impeller and high tensile, steel flighting for effective snow removal. The SB97 PT offers options such as hydraulic chute rotation and deflection for enhanced control and convenience. The dewulf RA360 is a high-performance self-propelled 2-row sieving potato harvester designed for efficiency and versatility. Powered by a 350-horsepower Scania diesel engine, it features multiple cleaning modules, including options like hedgehog, conveyors, and axial rollers to ensure optimal crop cleaning and sorting. The spacious cabin prioritizes operator comfort with an ergonomic design, joystick controls, and user-friendly interfaces, available in various configurations to suit diverse agricultural needs. The RA360 is equipped with 3 or 4 sieving webs, 1 or 2 halm rollers, and a 7,500 kilogram bunker capacity. It is designed for high productivity and minimal crop damage, offering excellent end product quality. The Volvo FH is a heavy-duty truck renowned for its power and efficiency. Powered by a range of D13 diesel engines, typically delivering 420 to 540 horsepower. These engines, combined with the advanced I-Shift automated transmission, optimize gear shifting for fuel economy and performance. Top speeds generally range from 62 to 75 meters per hour. The Volvo FH offers a wide range of configurations, with gross vehicle weight capacities varying significantly depending on factors like axle configurations and body types. The truck's weight itself also fluctuates based on engine choice, cab size, and optional equipment. The Schmidt Street King 660 is a powerful and efficient truck-mounted sweep Boasting a 9.2 cubic yard hopper and a 422-gallon water tank, it features a sweeping width of 7 feet 9 inches standard and can be expanded to 11 feet 6 inches with the dual version. Equipped with a high-capacity suction fan and a robust water system for effective dust suppression, the Street King 660 ensures thorough street cleaning. Powered by a powerful diesel engine, it offers user-friendly controls for easy operation and maintenance. The Street King 660 is known for its durability and reliability, making it a popular choice for municipalities, contractors, and other organizations responsible for maintaining clean and safe streets. The Olympian Leaf Pro is a high-capacity leaf vacuum designed for efficient and effective leaf and debris removal, available with 20 or 30 cubic yard hoppers. It features powerful engine options, including 87 horsepower Kubota gasoline, 74 horsepower John Deere Tier 4 diesel standard, and 99 HP John Deere Tier 4 diesel, equipped with a 30-inch fan. The Leaf Pro efficiently collects large volumes of leaves and debris, built with durable construction and featuring operator-friendly features like a gated platform and joystick controls. The Leaf Pro enhances operator comfort and efficiency while handling demanding applications. The Leaf Pro is designed for professional landscaping and municipal applications, offering high productivity and reduced labor costs. FULONGMA offers a range of advanced sewer, dredging, and cleaning vehicles designed for efficient sewage system maintenance. One notable model, the FLM 5180, integrates multiple functions such as washing, dredging, sewage suction, sewage filtration, and back discharge. It features a 5.8 cubic meter clear water tank, a high-pressure dredge pump with 21 MPa pressure, and 212 liters per minute flow, and an 80-meter dredging tube. The vehicle's sewage tank has a 6.47 cubic meter capacity, and its vacuum pump provides a maximum flow of 1,280 cubic meter per, with a 6-meter suction stroke. Equipped with an imported high-pressure water pump and an air-cooled vacuum pump. The John Deere 940HL is a powerful grapple skidder equipped with a 300 horsepower John Deere PowerTech PSS9L engine and a continuous variable transmission for smooth and efficient operation. This machine boasts a large grapple capacity, allowing it to handle a wide range of timber sizes with an operating weight of approximately 4,9,5,7,0 lb and a top speed of 15.5 meters per hour. The 948L is designed for demanding logging applications. Key features include a spacious and comfortable cab with a rotating seat for enhanced visibility and operator comfort, as well as durable construction for long-lasting performance. In challenging conditions, the 948L is integrated with advanced John Deere technologies, enhancing productivity. The Massey Ferguson RK762 is a high-performance twin-rotor rake designed for efficient and effective hay and forage raking. It boasts a wide working width of 7.6 meters, allowing it to cover a significant area with each pass. The two rotors, each equipped with 12x4 tine arms, create consistent and uniform swaths, perfect for baling or other downstream operations. Built with a robust frame and Cardinic rotor suspension, the RK762RC ensures smooth operation, even across uneven terrain. Hydraulic lifting and folding mechanisms simplify transport and storage, making it a versatile and convenient tool for hay and forage operations. The RK762RC is designed to maximize productivity and efficiency in hay and forage harvesting while minimizing crop damage.